Introduction. Welcome. In this course, we'll explore what computers are, how they work, and why they're important in today's world. I'm Kelvin, your guide for this journey. Whether you're new or just refreshing your knowledge, you're in the right place. We'll begin by understanding two key terms. Computer, an electronic device that processes data using a program. It processes input into useful output. Appreciation, understanding and valuing the role of computers in our daily lives. Learning objectives. By the end of this course, you should be able to 1. Understand what a computer is and why it's important for everyday and professional tasks. 2. Know the difference between hardware and software, and identify key computer parts and their functions. 3. Explain how input, output, and storage devices work, and list different types of storage and their uses. 4. Understand the role of software, especially system versus application software, and common Microsoft 365 tools. Why learn about computers? Think about it, computers help us with work, school, entertainment, and even socializing. So, knowing the basics is super important. Here are some reasons we learn about computers. 1. Computers are everywhere. 2. Understanding them makes life easier. 3. Computers helps with jobs, education, and everyday tasks. Computer appreciation. Computer appreciation refers to the basic understanding and awareness of computers, including their components, functions, and applications. It is the foundational knowledge that helps individuals understand how computers work and how to use them effectively. Understanding data and information. Data is defined as information prepared for and operated on a computer program. Therefore, data are unprocessed raw material. Information, on the other hand, refers to something told or known. Therefore, the information produced from the data becomes the end product. For example, data can be 23, John, apple. Information translate to John bought 23 apples. Parts of a computer. A computer is made up of the hardware part and the software part. Think of hardware as your body and software as your brain, both need to work together. A computer is made up of two major parts. 1. Hardware. The physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. Examples: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. 2. Software. The set of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. Examples: Microsoft Word, web browsers, operating systems like Windows. Input devices, how we talk to computers. An input device accepts data from the outside and converts it to electronic form that the computer understands. Some examples include keyboard, type words and commands, mouse, point and click, touch screen, tap directly on the screen. Scanner converts paper into digital form. Digital cameras/phones capture images, record audio and video. Output devices, how computers talk back. An output device does the opposite of the input device, it converts data from an electronic form inside the computer to a form that can be accepted outside the computer. Some examples include monitor, displays what's happening. Printer, prints documents on paper. Speakers, play sound and music. Understanding storage devices. Think of storage like the brain, where some memories are stored temporary, and some are stored forever. Where do computers store information? 1. Primary storage, RAM. Short-term memory, lost when turned off. 2. Secondary storage, hard drive, SSD, flash drive, long-term storage. 3. Tertiary storage, cloud, backup tapes, large-scale storage for archives. What is software? A software can be defined as a set of computer programs, instructions that cause the hardware, the machines to do work. Two main types. 1. System software. This manages the computer, e.g., Windows, Mac OS. 2. Application software. This helps us do tasks, e.g., Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Chrome. Application software. Application software, also known as end-user software, is any computer program designed for use by individuals or businesses to perform specific tasks. These programs are distinct from system software, which manages the computer's hardware and core functions. Examples of application software include Microsoft Suite, Google Workspace, web browsers, and mobile apps. Microsoft 365, a powerful tool. Microsoft 365 is like a digital toolbox, everything you need to get work done. It's a collection of essential software for work and study. This includes Word for documents, Excel for data and numbers, PowerPoint for presentations, Outlook for emails, Teams for online meetings. Summary. In this module, we covered the basics of computer appreciation, covering what a computer is, the difference between hardware and software, types of input, output, and storage devices, and the role of system and application software, including common Microsoft 365 tools.